Today's Friday, the 9th of September, and here's what's making news at Roadshow. Autodom's latest effort to pull both ends of the string is Porsche's Panamera 4 e-hybrid. This plug-in has 31 miles of all-electric range. At up to 86 miles an hour, you can basically forget about using gas on the average commute. Yet you've got 462 horse and 516 pound-feet of torque for those non-average drives. Are we about to see the first six-figure Mitsu Lancer Evo? The very last one to come off the line is on eBay now to benefit the Hunger Action Month. And as I record this, it sits at $50,100 with 6 days left. It's number 1,600 of 1,600. No car is safe from the demeaning grip of a recall. The $1 million Pagani Huayra has been flagged because of an improperly screwed down front airbag. Unlike the Takata fiasco that your children will still be dealing with, this one could be cleared in a weekend. There are only 32 Huayras in the U.S. Find more on these stories over at theroadshow.com. We'll talk to you next week.